Welcome back to Superior Sunrise. With me now is Logan Clancy of CKP Insurance. Logan, thank you so much for coming on this morning. You guys hosted a social last night at the Martin House, which is just an iconic restaurant here in Winnemucca. How was the turnout at the social last night?
The turnout was great, and we're just happy to be here and become a part of all of this.
So tell us a little bit about what CKP Insurance is. Where are you guys located? What is the company all about?
So we're nationwide, but our main office is in Florida, and we specialize in PRF insurance.
And so PRF insurance it's a little bit different. We were talking earlier about it. What makes PRF insurance? First, tell us about PRF insurance, if you can.
So PRF is protecting your pasture, rangeland, and forage against rainfall, lack of rainfall. And basically, if it doesn't rain more than average, you get paid out benefits.
And so this is something really producers can be using. How have you seen this benefit the producers that are using it?
Well, in a year like this year, it's a really bad drought. Everyone's having to buy a lot of feed. And this supplements and helps them to be able to do that.
And you were talking to me about how the payment structure works on this insurance. How does that plan work for a producer?
So in your typical drought insurance, it's going to pay a year or 2 years after the drought, which is really no good. This pays 45 to 60 days after each interval ends. So it's all 2-month intervals. And once the interval ends, you get a payment within 60 days.
And CKP Insurance, there's tons of companies that you can do insurance with, but what makes CKP different from your competitors?
So we're one of the original companies to start doing this. We've had the lobbyists in place, and we've grown with the program as it's grown. And basically, we know the ins and outs of it, and we've built a really good software program to help us better insure the ranchers.
If you can, talk to us a little bit about what that software program is. How does it benefit your company?
So it kind of gives us an idea of where to cover you, which 2-month intervals to cover you in, and at what coverage level, how many acres we should cover. And that ultimately helps us produce the best results and get ranchers the payments they need.
Very well. Well, thank you so much for coming on this morning. Make sure you stop by and see Logan over at the CKV booth. We appreciate you coming on. Don't go anywhere. We have more Superior Sunrise up next.